Hey everyone, let's go ahead and show you how to do a knotless Marley twist. So you're going to split the base hair in half, grab your Cuban or your Marley twist, make sure it is stretched and fluffed. All right, then you're going to place it directly in the middle of that part you just separated at the base. And you want to grab both your left and right hand and you hold on to it tight now. All right, and then what you see me doing, you see me starting from the right. The video is flipped the opposite way, but I'm starting from the right hand and I'm twisting clockwise. And you see me, I slowed it down so y'all can see that I'm twisting all the way to the root, and it's taut, like it's not going nowhere. All right, and then on the left side, on your left hand, you want to twist it going into the direction of your thumb. All right, when you're doing that, you're twisting in and crossing over so that way you can pull it with your right hand. All right, so it's basically that's how we're starting the crossing motion. All right, and you see me twisting it a bit more before I, do another cross again. And you just did about 2 rotations. Now I did a few just so you guys can see, right? The base is strong, it's tight, it's not going nowhere. Now for the twist down, right? You are twisting as you're twisting. I'm exaggerating my wrist so you can see how exaggerated you want the twist to be when you are grabbing, twisting, and then crossing under and over. You're going to see me point out my thumb. Yep, right there. I'm placing my thumb right in the middle of the twist so it can stay put. That's how we're going to ensure our twists are consistent throughout the entire braid, throughout the entire twist. So I'm placing it under my thumb, carrying it over, and I'm grabbing it with my pointer finger. All right, so that's what I'm doing. That's what you see me doing, and I'm speeding it up now. But yeah, we did the entire twist. Let me know what you think.